Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. I'm just bringing you on this short harvest that I'm about to do. This is what I usually do in the morning times to harvest some of my herbs that I eat in the daytime. Okay, let's see if we can get this to focus more. All right, this is cranberry hibiscus. So I harvest some of these right here. And I put these in my salads. And sometimes just eat them straight. This is a very easy to grow plant. It's so easy to grow that it grows itself. Look at this right here. So with this cranberry hibiscus, if you want to grow more and give it to your friends and family, just cut the piece off and stick it in the dirt. That's how easy it is to grow cranberry hibiscus. This right here is my moringa. And I cut a piece off of that. And this is another one. This is the tree of life. Very, very healthy tree. This is another tree that's easy to grow and propagate. Another tree that's very, very easy to grow. Very healthy. I just come out and snip a piece. You know, you don't even have to make salads. You can just eat it. I just rinse off and eat. So this is another tree. Not cranberry hibiscus. This is a moringa. I have actually a couple of moringas. I have another one right here. She's a little yellow from getting too much water. But all I did was snip a piece off of her, and she continues to grow. This is another plant I harvest from, and this is the katuk. It's high in protein, and this is another edible herb that I harvest in the mornings. This is another easy one to grow. Here's the baby one right there. Another one is my Malabar spinach. This is a heat-tolerant, cold-tolerant perennial. This is another easy one to grow. And I'm going to cut a couple of pieces off of this also. This is another one. Okinawan spinach. This is another one I harvest a couple of pieces off of. Another healthy spinach. She needs a little bit of water. I have a couple of these around, so I won't be taking it off of this plant. I'll give her some water. And come back to her after her another day. Okinawan spinach. Okay, we have another one back here. Cuban oregano. So, Cuban oregano is another plant I harvest from. One thing about Cuban oregano, I don't put the Cuban oregano in the ground because it can be very invasive and spread. So if you like a lot of it, which it grows very quickly, you could just go ahead and place it in a pot. And all you have to do is actually snip a piece from another plant, put it in another pot, and there you go. Cuban oregano. June plum leaves. Did you realize that June plum leaves are actually edible and very, very healthy for you? They actually have a very nutty flavor. Go ahead and do the research on that. June plum leaves. So I harvest this in the morning also. And here we go. South Sea salad tree. Okay. So this actually will grow into a small tree. And these leaves are very edible right here. So she's a baby right now. I will not be harvesting off of her. I'm going to let her grow a little longer. And there's my other Okinawan spinach that's actually healthy down there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so with these leafy greens that I showed you, these leafy greens are very, very easy to grow. As you can see, I also have another katuk because I cut a piece and places it in the dirt. So these are very easy to grow. So when you don't have enough time and you don't feel like fussing around, playing with plants, ones that you just want to be able to stick into a container of dirt or even in the ground and let it grow, and all you have to do is water it. All of these leafy vegetables are the ones to grow. Okay, so as far as something that's easy, and you might as well say maintenance free, because like I said, I love fruit trees. People, I love fruit trees. So if I can grow a leafy vegetable and I don't have to go through a whole bunch of nonsense and foolishness with it being attacked, then I'll grow it. Because remember, I love stress-free gardening. And I'm gonna tell you, these plants and trees that I just showed you, as far as leafy greens that are very nutritious, those are very easy to grow. Matter of fact, they do better if you just leave them alone and just come and check on them every once in a while and just hand them a little water and let them keep on going. Okay, if you also notice, I really don't grow those in direct sunlight other than the June plum. So other ones, you could just take them and tuck them under a tree or tuck them near your porch and just let them do what they do. So I'm bringing you some of this easy gardening because that's what I like. And that's what will keep me growing and learning more about gardening as far as vegetables. I'm not much of a vegetable gardener, but I do love green leafy vegetables. One more I forgot to show you real quickly. Okay, look at those sweet potato leaves. So, you take those sweet potato leaves, I harvest those too, especially the young ones, and they taste nice and sweet. You can saute them or put them in a salad. So look at that right there. And I just come out here and water. So this is my first time growing sweet potatoes out of the pot. And I'm doing pretty well. I took some suggestions. I put a lot more dirt down there because we have a lot of sandy soil in Florida. So I threw some dirt down there. And I come out here and water them every once in a while. And that's it. So, like I said, I'm an easy gardener, or what you want to call it, a lazy gardener. You can call it whatever you want. But I want to grow as much fruit and vegetables as possible without doing a whole lot of work. Okay, because that's going to benefit me and free up my time to do the other things that I love. And I want to continue to love gardening. So I will continue to find the easiest fruits and vegetables to grow. And let's let you look at this papaya tree again. Look at it. I don't do nothing to this. Look at the trunk on it. I do nothing to this papaya tree. And this is the other one right there. Nothing. And they're just growing. And this is a red lady papaya. It's supposed to be a dwarf. So I hate to see what's not a dwarf. But look at it grow. So this is the type of gardening I like to do. So I'm trying to bring that to you. So if you don't have a bunch of time, you have other things to do, but you want to garden, here it go right here. This is the easy stuff, okay? Hopefully you are enjoying your day. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.